What is up, you guys? I'm back in your video, and today, uh, we'll be making Hoops setup from Lego. Now, um, so for now though, as you can see, if you didn't watch the last video, it got a complete upgrade and everything. I made him a chair where he actually fits in there, and made him a tiny little snack table, And then, like, if you can see in the back right here, added a wall and then the PC itself right there. A little wire going, yeah. And a little plant just for decoration. But anyway, yeah, so in this video we'll be focusing on the PC right here, the monitors and stuff right here, and the desk. So, and I will do videos on the other things, like, and stuff. But for now, I don't want to make this video too long. So we're just going to be focusing on the desk and the PC and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to show you what you need. Alrighty, so as usual, I'll show you the pieces that you need. And and I'll pan around the pieces. So for the base, it's a 16 by 16. And then, like, right here, I'll show you the pieces, because I don't really know the names of certain ones, so yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm going to show you how to build it. But be sure to pause the video so you can grab the pieces that you need. Alrighty, so now I'm going to show you how to build it. Alrighty, so first you're going to grab this piece right here. Hopefully you saw it in the thing. If not, I'm going to show you the pieces separately, or yeah, Anyway, okay, so yeah, you're going to place it right here. Yeah, you're going to take this. Oh, and I forgot to mention this. It's a 4 by 10, this piece right here. I forgot to mention that. But yeah, you're going to put it to the side. And then you're going to grab the other one right here. And you're going to place it to the side as well. Then you're going to grab this piece right here, the one with the little groove in it. Hopefully the camera will focus on it. I don't know. Alright, so then you're going to place it right here. The groove has to be facing outward. And you're going to grab the second one and you're going to place it right there. And then you're going to grab the 1x4 brick, you're going to place it in the middle. And now you're going to grab this piece right here, the 1x4 tile. You're going to place it right here. You're going to grab the other one and you're going to do the same as well. Then you're going to grab this 1x1 stud. You're going to place it right here. And then you're going to grab the other one, and then, yeah, boom. And there you go. There's the bottom of the table. And now on the base, you're going to want to space it out because if you saw, there's a wall, so you're going to place it. Here, let me just place it. You're going to place it like 2 studs away and then like 1 stud, because this part doesn't matter, but there's stuff sticking out. There's stuff sticking out from the side right here, so alrighty, now I'm going to show you how to build the top part. This should be in right here. Alrighty, so you're going to grab this piece right here, this 1x4 tile, and place it to the side. And then you're going to grab this piece right here, you're going to place it, this piece right here, you're going to place it to the side right here. You got that right there. And then, if I remember, bear with me, hold on. Alright, you're gonna grab this white piece, place it in the center. Oh wait, that's not the center. You're gonna place it in the center right there. And then you're gonna grab another one of these. Already here. You're gonna grab another one of these and place it right here. And then you wait, never mind, I remember now. Okay, so you're gonna place you're gonna take your 1x2, you're gonna place it right here. Alrighty, so you should have something like that. Then you're gonna take your 2x4, you're gonna place it right here in the back. Alrighty, then you're gonna take this piece right here. You're gonna place it right here. It's a 2x2. And then you're gonna grab this piece right here, you're gonna place it right here. So you should have something like that. And now you're gonna grab this dark gray 1x2 and place it right here. And then you're gonna grab the other one, 1x4 tile, you're gonna place it right here to the side. And you're gonna grab this tile right here, you're gonna place it right here. And then you're gonna grab this tile right here. You're gonna place it right there. So you should have something like that. And finally, you're gonna grab this piece right here, 2x2 tile. In there, you should have something like that. If not, just make sure like your placements are right and everything. Alrighty, so now we're gonna move on to the monitors. Alrighty, so for them, you're gonna use one of these thingies again, except it's gonna be black. And you're gonna use this clip piece right here. You're gonna place it right here in the middle of them, obviously, and then there you go. And then you take your 2x4 black, and then like be careful when you do this. Some of my pieces have been snapping, but if you can see right there, it's gonna be in the clip right there in the center. Alrighty, and then carefully, do this carefully, because I don't want you guys breaking your pieces, Oh, it just slid off. Alrighty. And then you should put it in the middle. Alrighty, and then there's your first monitor. You're gonna place it right there. On top of the white piece. Make sure it's aligned, make sure it's even. Alrighty, and then you should have something like that. And then you're gonna make the same thing 2 times for the monitors to the side. And place them at an angle so where like the corner right here, oh whoops, if it can focus. Alrighty, make sure it's touching the other corners. So now it's like it flows good and stuff. Alrighty, so then you're gonna make the last monitor. Oh, whoops, hold on, I'm just gonna lower it. Alrighty. Alrighty, cool. You're gonna make the last monitor. Alrighty, and then you're gonna place it. You're gonna place it right here on this side, on top of the stud right there, and then you should have something like this. Alright, and for the keyboard, you're gonna place it on that little tube right there. You're gonna place it. You're gonna insert it on there. And then for the little mouse, if you don't have if you don't have this piece, I'm pretty sure just like a regular stud will do. But because I happen to have this piece, I don't know, I thought it looked better. You're gonna place it right there. And then that's the monitors, and then now you're gonna build the PC. So you're gonna take this brick right here. And then you're gonna take this piece right here, the one with the little thingy, I don't know what it's called, but it's a huge hole. You're gonna make sure it's facing forward or downward. Like that, like this, because it's gonna clip in this way. And then now you're gonna get your, or well, not this way, this way. Yeah. Okay, you're gonna get your, and now you're gonna get this piece right here, the one with the little, hold on, let me focus on it. Alrighty, and then right there, you're gonna get this piece with the little lip on it, and you're gonna place it right here. Should have something like that. Then you're gonna take this piece right here. Oh wait, no, wrong piece. You're gonna take this piece right here, another one, and you're gonna face it to the side like this. Now you're gonna take this little green neon thing. Oh wait, let me focus on it again. Alright, you're gonna take this green neon piece. Sorry if it looks too bright. I don't know what's happening with my lighting, but you're gonna place it, a green little stud, you're gonna place it on there. I'm pretty sure I should have just grabbed a different piece, but anyway, you're gonna take your other 1x1 brick and you're gonna place it right here, and then your 1x2 brick, you're gonna place it right there. You should have something like this. And then you're gonna take your 2x3 tile, and you're gonna place it right there, and there you have the PC. Hopefully wait a second, did I? Oh no, okay. Alrighty, it's all good. And now, here, we're gonna go to the back, and we're gonna place it, hold on you guys, I made a mistake. Alrighty, and then you're gonna place it. You see that little hole right there? If you don't, well, shoot, sorry, but yeah, right there, the little hole. You can place it on there if it should be, and I made another mistake again. Hold on, hold on. All right, sorry about that, guys, but yeah, it should be facing to the side. I don't know, my brain is dumb today for some reason. Alrighty, so you're gonna place it right there, and then boom, there you go. There's the PC. You're gonna. Alright, so yeah, should have something like that. And then for the wire, you're gonna take this, and then you're gonna take the PC, you're gonna take it, and then you're gonna place the little, like, this is a little string piece. I don't know where you get it from, but yeah. You're gonna place it right here on the thing. And you're gonna place it back down right here. And then there you go. There's the monitors and stuff. Now I'm out of time because like stuff, yeah, and like so yeah, like the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy, if you want more. And yeah, be sure to check out my other videos too. I sculpt things with clay, so I mean, I don't know if you guys want to see something like that. Go check out my other videos. And yeah, bye bye.